Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to split a clip on CapCut. Before we start, I'm giving away $20 PayPal gift card. To enter, just subscribe to the channel, like this video and comment anything down below. That's all you need to do. One of you will get $20 straight to your PayPal. Now let's get back into the video. So, just simply, once you have the clip over here on CapCut, you can just simply move this stick with you and choose where you want to split your clip and just aim exactly at that point. You can also zoom in to get better precision, and over here just click. So for example, I will split it here, so just click here. And now you just split a clip. You can also do it by Ctrl B. So click Ctrl plus B and you split a clip, and this is a single clip and this is also a single clip. So this is how you can do it. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and I will see you in the next one. Peace.